Hi, English 102 students. My name is Jackie, and I'm the library director here at Walla Walla Community College. I'm coming to your class next week, along with two of my great librarian colleagues here, Jonna Lou Williams and Jen Stutzman. You may have seen us in our offices here in the library. So we're going to meet with you next week to dive in a little bit more deeply into the research you might need to be doing for your English 102 final project, your final deliverable. But in the meantime, before we meet, we wanted you to do a little bit of pre-syncing. So we have an assignment for you. We've chosen 4 videos. And they're all really short. I think the longest one is, 8 or so minutes. And you just need to watch one. So choose which looks the most interesting to you. And we wanted you to watch this video and consider a few questions. These are all outlined in our question prompt, but we're really kind of hoping that you'll think about kind of what you've found the value of research to be, where you think you might use research in your professional and personal life outside of school, and maybe what kind of research challenges you've encountered and how you got past them. So a little bit, watch the video, respond to the video and those questions. And in addition, we're hoping that you'll respond to one of your classmates' post. So kind of having a discussion, find where you're similar, find where you're different. Maybe they found a challenge that you yourself have overcome as a researcher. And we'll discuss these in class next week. In the meantime, if you have any questions, I hope you know where to find us. We are, again, right in the library. Our offices line the back window. Our contact information is right here in the Canvas page, so you can, just click and email us at any time. And before class, really, as you dig into your research, ask us during the process, when you're wrapping up the process and you're still stuck. There's really no wrong time to come see a librarian wherever you're at. So, really don't hesitate. We're here to help. It's what we love to do. So, okay, until next week, I hope this assignment is fun for you, and we'll meet with you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.